So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's go for the video tutorial.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Discord Nitro for free. So let me just open up the app right here. This is the Nitro app, the modded app. And when I go to get Nitro, as you can see, it's quite expensive, but I can get it for free. So I'm going to press get, and as you can see, we have this option that says Discord dev mode, which is developer mode. So I press purchase, and now it's going to give me developer mode. So let's see if we get it for free, guys. So it should go through, and it says your account is now ready for Discord Nitro. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. You can see right there it says Discord Nitro activated. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and go to settings. We're just going to go to general and make sure we have the background app refresh turned on. So the next thing we're going to do is go to matrixmods.com, and we're just going to type in the name of the app right here. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in right here. Let's do Discord, and as you can see, this is the Discord Nitro for free. So press download, and before it downloads this onto your phone, there is going to be a little verification thing. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So basically we have to download 2 of these apps. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we've got like these search to install ones like scanner apps. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. But that's how to get the free Discord Nitro. So yeah, it actually works, guys. So if you're broke, you will be very happy about this because Discord Nitro is quite expensive. So now you can get it for free, guys. So be sure to try it out. So yeah, matrixmods.com. This is super cool, and it actually works, bro.